What's up, guys? Got some new stuff. So we have a Galaxy ProBook and a ProBook 360. So yeah, let's get them unboxed. Well, what's up, guys? So picked up the Galaxy ProBook in Mystic Silver. And then I picked up a ProBook 360 in Mystic Blue. Yeah, Mystic Navy, excuse me. So we're all about the Mystics. So yeah, let's get these unboxed. One thing I have noticed off the bat, look how thin these boxes are. Which sort of gives an indication as to how thin these laptops are going to be. Actually, I'll give you a comparison. That's my box my MacBook Air came in. And that's the box the Galaxy ProBook come in. So, this one's a bit longer, but this one's a lot thicker. So, yeah, let's get these open. So we'll open up the ProBook first. New stuff! Love new stuff. New stuff. So, I sort of went, these are the 13-inch versions. I went for the 13-inch versions because I like them. They're small, they're neat, they're dinky. But I was a wee bit disappointed. I've seen a couple of reviews online from some other YouTubers, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they got 13-inch i7 models. But on Samsung, well, on the UK site anyway, I was only able to get the i5. So the only way I could get a i7 was to go 15-inch. So I'm not sure if that was just maybe a UK thing or not. If it is, if you were able to order an i7 13-inch version, let me know in the comments down below, because I couldn't do it. So, ooh, there we go. So there we go. That's what's in the box. So we've got your laptop, and we have our charging brick, which is, oh my rip, feel the weight of that. That's really heavy. And that is 30 watt, I believe. Super fast charging. USB-C. Nice. And let's see if I can. No, there's a tab here. There we go. Whoa, holy jeepers. Guys, look how thin that is. And this thing is really, really light. This actually makes the MacBook Air feel kind of heavy, if that's even possible. So, yeah, that's a wee bit surprising. Paperwork and USB-C cable. So, yeah, pretty standard stuff. That's pretty much what you get in the box. So we'll just move this out of the way, and we'll open this up. Oh, aluminium. I can feel it. Ooh. Well, the bottom of it's plastic. It's like a white plastic, but then the top of it is nice silver aluminium. It's nice. That's crazy light and crazy small. And whoa, look at that. So, we have two USB-Cs and a full HDMI port on there. You'll see the bottom of the port has been cut out to make the ports fit. Who says you can't get full size ports on a thin laptop? And then on the other side, we've got a micro SD and then another full USB 3 port. Again, the bottom sort of cut out of the frame to make it fit. So that's pretty cool. And let's see. Oh, the hinge is pretty good. And there we go. There's the inside. White keyboard, and it's plastic on the inside as well. So only the lid is aluminium. Yeah. So yeah, pretty nice looking little laptop. Not a fan of a white keyboard, but yeah, it's just me. And the battery's dead. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that on charge. Thumbs down, Samsung. What are you doing? Okay. Well then, while that's gonna charge, let's open up this one. Again, really slim box. It's actually the same size of box, so I expect everything to be the same sort of size and dimensions. This is the ProBook 360, so this is the touchscreen 2-in-1 model. And yeah, in the box is just pretty much the exact same. Charging brick, cable. Whoa, this one here is a lot heavier. Well, not a lot heavier, but there's a noticeable difference. And in the box is pretty much the same. The only difference being we have an S Pen. So the S Pen comes as standard with the 360, which is pretty good. I can get that out. There we go. And there we go. S Pen. Black S Pen. Should have been blue. As my mother-in-law would say, black and navy don't go. So this one here, that's got an aluminium bottom on the 2-in-1 and an aluminium top as well. Whereas the other ProBook has got plastics. Whereas this all seems to be aluminium. Yeah, aluminium on the inside as well. And a black keyboard, which is pretty good. Good thin bezels around the screen as well. Nice trackpad. This one's flat as well. Boo! Boo, boo, boo. Okay. Right. Let me go and stick this on the charge as well, and we'll get a bit of juice into these, and then we'll get them set up and do a quick show round. Right. So I have these set up, bit of charge in them now, and we are ready to go. So let's get a wee quick overview of them. First impressions, seriously light and thin. Obviously, what you're going to compare these to, you're going to compare these to a MacBook Air, because MacBook Air for a long time has set the benchmark when it comes to thinness and lightness on a laptop. These things are crazy light. The Galaxy Book Pro especially is really light, but I think the extra lightness in this one is because quite a bit of the body's plastic, apart from the top lid. There's a wee bit more weight in the 360, but it's all aluminium body, so I think that's where that sort of comes into play. Both of these are the 13-inch models, so these both have latest generation Intel i5 processors, 8 gig of RAM each, and 512 gig of storage in each of them. And the 13-inch, that was the maximum spec you could go to. You couldn't go any higher than that, at least when I was ordering it. I was looking for the i7 models, but the i7s only came in a 15-inch, so I just opted to go for the 13-inch. So yeah, pretty straightforward stuff. They're pretty identical when it comes to ports. 2 USB-Cs on this side and an HDMI, and then they have a USB 3, a normal USB, a headphone jack, and a micro SD reader. And on the 360, similar. You have a USB-C and a micro SD reader and a headphone jack on this side, and then on this side you have 2 more USB-Cs. So there's no USB-A on this 360. And the only other difference then between these two is the 360 is a touchscreen, and it does this. So you can bend it all the way back and you can put it in the tablet mode, which is where your S Pen will come into play. So on the whole, yeah, I'll be honest, I'm a bit disappointed with the ProBook. I'm a bit disappointed that the body's plastic. If I'm truthfully honest, I was expecting. I mean, for $10.99 for that laptop, you'd be expecting a wee bit more premium materials. So I'm a little disappointed in that. The 360, I think the 360 is really cool. I love the color. The navy, I think, is the best color by far. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting testing this. Get testing that S Pen and get testing the touchscreen and things like that there. So I'm gonna do a more in-depth review on these. But I just wanted to sort of get these unboxed and show you guys what they're like. And I'll do a bit of benchmark testing as well. So I'll probably bench test these against probably the MacBook Air. Yeah. If you want to see that, hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below. What do you want to see? And we'll get that done for you. In the meantime, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button as well if you haven't already. You'll find it in the same place right there. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.